Hi there, I'm Anna from Encom Energy and we're here today at Ulster Shredders in Toome, where they manufacture large industrial shredding machines for around the UK and Ireland. We recently just installed a large commercial PV array to help boost their sustainability and reduce their overall operation costs. This 50 kilowatt system features 114 panels with a 25-year product and a 30-year performance warranty, paired with a Solis inverter for a seamless integration and a dependable output. We predict this system to produce over 37,000 kilowatts of energy a year, with just a 4-year return of investment. This isn't just only a smart business decision, but it's also good for the environment. With the integration of this solar installation, Ulster Shredders is reducing their carbon footprint, but also adopting a new sustainable model of manufacturing. If you're a manufacturer in Northern Ireland or the Republic of Ireland and you're looking to reduce your costs, but also adopt a more sustainable way of operations, we would love to help. Contact the Encom team today to see what we can do for your operations.